Okay, moving along. I won't sing a song. I'm sure everybody's sleepy. Go back to bed. Oh, after this, right? That's what everybody's going to do. Who knows? So maybe we'll be recording in a moment. Let's see what happens. Okay, good. Okay, back to the PowerPoint. So we talked about neutrophils. Neutrophils are the most abundant white blood cell. These are red blood cells. Look at the relative size. This is 7 to 8 microns, maybe 15 microns, the neutrophil. Then we have eosinophils. Never let monkeys eat bananas. So these are called granulocytes because they have granules in them. Okay. And here we have basophils because they stain basic with basic dyes, so basophil means basic lover. Monocytes have this large two-lobe nucleus with a cleft in between the two lobes. Platelets and lymphocytes. Lymphocytes have a big circular nucleus, and platelets are very, very small, but obviously very good for making sure you don't bleed to death when you get some type of break in a blood vessel or a major cut. Okay, the clotting process, we're not going to worry about this one. I just want you to know that platelets are involved in clotting. That's it. Okay, so a blood clot has fibrin and trapped red blood cells, and clotting has to be turned on and then turned off so you don't continue to form a clot and it gets too big and can break off and go to your lungs, go to your brain. Not a good idea. Okay, we're not going to worry about this. We're not going to get into detail on this, but clots are retracted and removed. The platelets contract and it eventually dissolves, because once you have the blood vessel sealed and the wound is healed, you don't need the clot platelets anymore. So platelets coordinate hemostasis, blood clotting. Okay, so they activated by abnormal changes, the release of clotting factors. It's a complex process, but just know that hemostasis means blood clotting, and that clotting is regulated and also destroyed and removed when it does its job. Okay, why won't that move? Oh, we're already at the end. Okay, so that takes care of that. So let's go ahead and get rid of this and get another PowerPoint. Okay, so we got to go to Blackboard, and PowerPoints for lecture right here. Let's keep going on cardiovascular systems, blood, heart. Okay, so that's the heart, and we'll get to that. And let's go back and stop recording a minute and move on to the heart. Stop recording.